information. I'm Tika and my student number is 123, and now I want to explain about my teaching media and how to use this media. And as you can see here, it is my teaching media and it is called Please Guess What Animal It Is. And my teaching media is for learning vocabulary for students in elementary school, grade 4. And I made this media using cardboard and then manila paper, origami, printed pictures to make kinds of animals, and also I use Velcro to stick these animals to the cardboard. And then I also provide fun fact. It is a sentence clue about fun fact animals. This activity is engaged and allows the students to know about some vocabularies about animals live on land and then in the water and then in the air. And also the students learn about fun fact animals. And from use this media, the students not only learn about vocabulary, but they also sharing or discuss together with their friends, maybe or with their teacher about animals, and also fun fact about animals. Okay, now I want to explain about how to use this media. For the first one, the teacher must read a sentence clue one by one here about fun fact animals. And for example, animals in water. Number 1, extremely intelligent animals and have a sleek body. And then the students who know the answer to the fun fact then come forward to stick this animal on the cardboard that has been provided. And for example, the students know about the answer is dolphin. Then they stick this animal here on the cardboard. After that, the teacher must give the question again until the end. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if I make a mistake. See you on the next video. Bye.